Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to discuss the Forest River Arctic Wolf line of lightweight fifth wheels. Focused on providing the best value in this segment, the Arctic Wolf has something for everyone. The Arctic Wolf line features 6 floor plans ranging in length from a little over 30 feet to around 36 feet, and in weight from roughly 7,900 pounds to 9,600 pounds. Each floor plan has an almost identical front half, which features a power lift queen bed and wardrobe slide in the bedroom, plus a master bath with a neo-angle shower and a linen closet in the same wardrobe slide. With that being said, each floor plan offers a unique layout thanks to the differences in the rear half. Let's start with the 3 bunk models. The 265 DB-H8 features bunks across the rear wall of the trailer, a super slide with a dinette and sofa in it, and a campside kitchen with a pantry and residential refrigerator. The 315 TB-H8 offers a rear bunkhouse that houses triple bunks, with one of them being a jackknife sofa. In the main living area, the super slide houses a dinette and a trifold sofa, and across from that is a campside kitchen, and this model also has the residential refrigerator. The 315 also features 2 entry doors, with one of them leading directly into the bathroom, so dirt isn't tracked through the entire RV when people need to use the restroom. The last of the bunk models is the 295 QS-L8, which is a mid-bunk unit. This layout gives you a rear living area with dual opposing slides and an L-shaped peninsula kitchen, plus a bonus room with both a jackknife sofa and a bunk. Above this bonus room is a large loft, allowing for excellent sleeping accommodations. The sole rear kitchen model is the 245 RK4, which places the L-shaped kitchen along the rear wall and campside corner. 2 chairs are also located on the campside of the RV, and across from that is a super slide with a sofa in addition to a freestanding table and chairs. If you want some separation between your kitchen and living space, the 305 ML6 is for you. This floor plan has the kitchen and table and chairs positioned near the rear of the model with the living space, complete with 3 sofas in the middle of the unit. The final floor plan is the 285 DRL4, which features 2 large slides in the kitchen and living area. On the campside, you have a freestanding table and chairs, as well as the entertainment center in a slide. Across from that are the kitchen appliances and some theater seating. The sink is located on a large kitchen island in the middle of the space, and there's a large sofa on the back wall. Now that you know which floor plans are available, let's discuss the features of the Arctic Wolf. The Arctic Wolf line of fifth wheels can be had with a long list of features and amenities. Depending on the model, the Arctic Wolf can come with a ducted 15K BTU AC with 50 amp service, second AC prep, and the option to add the second AC. A 35,000 BTU furnace, fireplace prep, solar prep, backup camera prep, 6-foot 4-inch slide heights with large panoramic windows, and auto level with 18,000 pound capacity are also included. Inside the Arctic Wolf, you get seamless countertops, stainless kitchen appliances including a large double door 1000-watt residential refrigerator on some models, TV prep, up to 12 USB charging stations, and even a comfort power bed lift system on certain floor plans. Additional options include a portable ice maker, large LED TV, rear travel rack, and an electric fireplace. Arctic Wolf fifth wheels are some of the best out there for the money. As you can see, they provide a lot of value and plenty of options to make the fifth wheel your best home on the road.